Hello, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you all my returning subscribers. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment. Share the video so that others could also benefit. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial proper. So the measurement of my foam, the length is 18 inches and the width measures 6 inches. Okay, 6 or 7 inches is okay, it's perfect, depending how puffy or how big you want it. So just watch the video, you can see how I roll it. Okay, fold it, roll it in, and you sew or tack it down. So you can as well make use of your candle gum if you want to. So you make use of your candle gum, but me, I prefer tacking it down this way. Okay, so I'll continue like that till I get to the end of the foam. So to get the measurement for the fabric, all you need to, after sewing it down, place your tape, measure the round, take the round measurement of the foam. So after I'm done, mine measures 4 inches. So I cut out 5 inches for the width of the fabric, and the length of my fabric measures 18 inches. Okay, you can also use 20 inches to be on a safer side. Okay, you see I'm almost done. So this is how it looks like. So this is the fabric. So I'm going to be folding it into two, then I'm going to sew it straight down. Okay, so I'm going to sew the fabric straight down, turn it out, then we'll proceed to insert it. So here it is after sewing it down. So I'll be making use of my safety pin to pass it through the fabric. Also make sure that the sewn part of the fabric faces up. Okay, the same thing where we join the foam together faces up, so at the end of the day we will have a very smooth end. So carefully do this. Okay, don't be in a haste so that you won't end up cutting your foam. You can see how I'm pulling the fabric gradually. Just take your time, pull the fabric gradually. All right, so here it is. You can see how smooth it is. Okay, you can see how smooth it is. So this is what I mean when I say take the round measurement of the foam. This is what I mean. All right, so please take note. Don't go and cut your fabric before rolling your foam. You might cut excess. At the end of it, you notice that you're trimming it off. So at this point, folding this part now, one end of the foam, folding one side and top stitch. Okay, I've already done my base. Okay, I've taught us how to do your base, either your round base or V plate. So this is for the ruffles. I've gone ahead to sew the fabric, turn it out, then I went ahead to insert my 3 inches crinoline inside. So this is me now making a running stitch all the way down. Okay, from one end of the sewn part to the other end. The length of the fabric is 90 inches and the width is 5 inches. The width of my crinoline is 3 inches. Please take note. Okay, sorry that the camera couldn't capture when I sewed the fabric down and also inserted my crinoline. I believe we all understood. If you have a question, don't feel free to drop your question in the comment section. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. And to all those coming across my channel for the first time, thank you very much. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like, and also drop a comment. Okay, thank you very much. Here we do DIY on how to make different kinds of headwears. All right, if you also like to join my WhatsApp group, drop a comment in the comment section and I will reach out to you. All right, so let's proceed. Right now I want to attach the loop design, okay, for the foam. So from the center of the of your turban base, measure 1.5 inches from the center, 1.5 inches away from the center. Or if you want to also start from the center, you can. But I measured 1.5 inches away from the center front. Then I place it and I start tacking it down. So just start tacking it down. Tack it in a way that the needle will not show. So watch how I'm tacking it because I don't want the needle to show on top. Okay. So once your needle comes out, you pick the fabric. Okay. You pick the fabric from behind, from that partner that is resting on the turban cap. So just watch carefully. You see what I'm talking about. So my needle have come out from that point. So at this point, I will be cutting off the excess that we have there. Then I'll go ahead and reduce the foam. Okay. So if it's too big, I'll still reduce it the more. So this is it now. So I'm going to fold in this edge now. I'll take it to my sewing machine and I will top stitch. Okay. So I'm pinning it down first. So just watch how I'm going to top stitch that part. So you see how neat this cap is now. So I'll go ahead and cut off my remaining thread and needle. Okay. So you just pick the fabric for the foam a little and you pass it through the turban base. That's all. Alright, moving over to the ruffles design. I've already made my ruffles. Okay, this is just after making my gathers, I pull everything together. My running stitch, I pull everything together just to get that. So now my turban cap is on top of my dummy. We'll be attaching this right now. So make sure that the ruffles cover up that part that will first tack down. Okay, you can see I'm placing it. Let it cover that very first part of that loop design. So I'm going to pin it down at that point. So at this point I'll be tacking this offline. So I'm just trying to show you how to place it and arrange it. Okay, so I'll pin it down, then I'll be tacking it strategically. Okay, I'll pick some strategic point, I will tack it down. That is it. Okay, so once I tack that first part, I go to the middle and tack, then the last one will be at the back. So that is it. Okay, so I'll proceed to go offline. I'll tack everything down, then I'll show us the finished look. So after tacking down the ruffles, so this is the finished look. So I went ahead to add some accessories to it, which is totally optional. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Okay, drop a comment. See you all in our next tutorial. Bye.